What is an Amazon return drop-off location?
Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about Amazon return drop-off locations. What are they? Why are they important? And how can you find one near you? Let's dive right in.
What is an Amazon return drop-off location?
An Amazon return drop-off location is a physical location where you can return your Amazon purchases if they didn't meet your expectations. Instead of packing up your return and shipping it back to Amazon, you can simply bring the item to a drop-off location, making the return process much easier. These locations can be various establishments such as retail stores, lockers, or even dedicated Amazon hubs. They are designed to provide a convenient, hassle-free return experience.
Why are Amazon return drop-off locations important?
Return drop-off locations play a crucial role in the Amazon returns process. They offer several advantages. 1. Convenience. These locations save you the trouble of packing the item and arranging for its pickup. 2. Speed. Returns are processed faster because they are directly returned to Amazon. 3. Environmentally friendly. They help reduce the carbon footprint by consolidating shipments.
How to find an Amazon return drop-off location near you?
Finding an Amazon return drop-off location is quite easy. Here are the steps. 1. Go to your Amazon orders page. 2. Find the item you want to return. 3. Click on Return or Replace Items. 4. Follow the prompts to choose a drop-off point. Amazon will show you the closest options available. Remember, the availability of drop-off locations may vary depending on your location and the type of item you are returning. That's all for today's video on Amazon return drop-off locations. Now you know what they are, why they are important, and how to find one near you. We hope this video has been helpful, and the next time you need to return an Amazon order, the process will be a breeze.